Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we'll discuss the top 5 best heated car seat covers of 2023. All the product links are given in the description below, so without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. ZoneTech. Brooklyn-based ZoneTech provides a 2-pack of heat covers for the price of one of most other seat covers. The design is basic with a narrow center section, 2 lower cinch hooks, and a headrest loop, but there are some more premium features as well. With a quick disconnect plug, you can get a digital controller that lets you adjust the temperature up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 49 degrees Celsius. We like these not just for the convenience, but to help prevent damage as a breakaway if you pull on a cord too hard. Made of waterproof fabric with a non-slip back, both bottom and top sections are 23 inches. It narrows to 11.8 inches in the middle. It might or might not be a feature you like. Still, an automatic 45-minute shutoff timer prevents overheating, especially on the plug. That's great for preventing battery drain if you forget it, but it might not be what you want in a very cold weather. Many other heated covers get warmer. Big Hippo. If you really want to keep the purchase price low, the best heated seat cover for your car is this base-only unit from Big Hippo. It is the least expensive option for you at a low cost, but there is one key difference from the rest of the heated seat covers on our list. This item only covers the base of the seat and does not extend up across the bottom of the seat. As a result, rather than wrapping around the whole seat, it wraps around a portion of the base, with part of the cover extending through the tight spot between the seat base and the back. Besides the shape and installation differences, the seat cover works just like the oversized, more elaborate heated seat covers. The power cord has a USB end with a cigarette lighter adapter, so it can plug into many different power points in your car, truck, or SUV. Since the cord has a USB connection, this heated cover will also work in your office by plugging it into your computer. When in use, this heated seat cover offers a range of 86 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, with an automaker shutoff to prevent overheating or battery drain. SNAILAX. One of the best reasons that you might be holding off on buying heated seat covers is that you won't get much use out of them. Forget that you will probably use them when driving during the winter months, but you won't get much use from a heated seat cover through the spring, summer, and fall months. Buying something that you will only use for a few months a year might disinterest you, but not all seat covers only provide heat. This seat cushion are heated and cooled, so you can use them all year long. Like most heated seats, the center section of the base and back pads are heated. Still, unlike the other options on our list, there is a built-in cooling fan and a unique channel construction that pushes fresh air up through both sections of the cover. This helps keep the areas of your body that contact the seat cooler during the long drive. More importantly, the cooling feature makes the SNAILAX a helpful cushion all year. The seat cushion is controlled via a wired remote and can be powered by a cigarette lighter outlet in a car or a standard wall outlet in your home or office. In other words, this is another car seat cushion that you can use in places other than your vehicle. HealthMate IN9438. Most of the best heated seat covers on the market are designed to change the temperature of the seat surface and nothing more. Many people with issues with their lower back need extra support when driving. For those people, this item has the answer. Their heated velour seat cover offers extra lumbar support, making this item ideal for anyone who wants a warm seat and added lower back support. It is smaller than most of the covers on our list, extending from the middle of the seat back to the edge of the center of the thin base. Leaving most bolster areas uncovered. The thick padding provides support though, the middle of your back, with extra padding in the lower back providing the advertised lumbar support. Heat is applied throughout the center of the upper and lower portion, so it doesn't just warm your back. The cover is controlled by an inline switch with high and low settings on the power cord, which plugs into your vehicle's cigarette lighter port. KINGLETIng. If you want the absolute best heated seat cover for your car, this is the brand for you. This cushion has a large coverage area with a center section that has a quilted appearance with added detail through the portions that cover the bolster areas of the bucket seat. The quilted center area is heated, so most of the contact area between your back and the cover is heated. It covers most factory seat skin, protecting against dirt and stains on lighter colored upholstery. One of the aspects of this is the weight-sensitive automatic on-off control. When you sit down on this cover, the power button in the center of the front flap between your knees illuminates red to indicate that it is operating at the highest setting. With the red light, this cover heats to 140 degrees, while the green mode heats to 122 degrees and the blue mode heats to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, this comes with a 63-inch power cord, plug ends for a cigarette lighter port in your car, and a standard wall plug in your house. That means you can put this cover on your office chair when not in use in your car and continue to enjoy the extra warmth. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of our new videos.